I'm going to do a little video here of heat in my garage. As you can see, it's 7 degrees outside and it's 41 degrees inside, and I have my heat pump set on the lowest possible setting at 62 degrees. The ceiling in my garage is uninsulated, but the walls are insulated. They're 4-inch R13. This shop is 24 by 40. So I'm really pleased with how well it heats with a 22,000 BTU heat pump.